So this is kind of the life. Florida's rivers are so beautiful. They're incredible. You shouldn't miss it. You know, get out and go do some kayaking. We're loving our RV life and our kayaking and our adventures. And
couldn't imagine doing anything else down here. The kayaking down here is like top notch.
A lot of take your breath away places here. But thanks for coming along with us, and we'll see some more stuff. This is Gore's Landing, and this is the end of our voyage. Thanks for joining us. Nah, I'm just kidding. This is the beginning of the end of our voyage. We're dropping a truck here at Gore's Landing. There's my truck sitting over there, old Black Betty. We're dropping a truck here because we're going upriver to Railwayside Park, and we're gonna launch from there. There she is. There she is. Well, hello, hello, hello.
Morning.
What's up, everybody? We just dropped off my truck at Gore's Landing. Cute little campground in there. Might be worth staying at. But that's the end of the voyage, and that's where you're gonna wanna pull out there. So you're gonna want to drop a truck there, or a car, or some way to get back, because it's quite a ways back. We are headed down the Ocklawaha River. Pretty sure that's how it's pronounced. Ocklawaha, tomato. You know, I mean, we're from New England. You know, we don't pronounce diesel. In New England, we call diesel fuel. So stick with us. We're headed over to Railwayside Park. What this kayaking trip is going to be is sort of a second segment from Silver Springs. We're going over to where we would normally pull out after doing Silver Springs, and that's going to be our launch point. And we're going to go 10.4 to 10.
It's like
10.4
or 10.4
miles. Go down the Ocklawaha. We're going to check it all out. I'm thinking this might be a really good trip, so hang in there with us. We're glad to have you along with us. We're getting up there. We're up to 89 viewers now, so please like and subscribe. Help us get to 100 viewers. We love having you along, and we love showing you our little trips, so stick with us. We'll see you soon. All right, so we're at Railwayside Park. This is Railwayside. We are getting ready to launch. This is where we're going to be leaving from today. So if you're going to do this voyage, this is where you'll leave from. But thanks for coming along with us. We'll show you more. Feel free to fall in.
No, it's not juniper, so you didn't put me in the wrong way.
Gosh, we should have brought our GoPro.
Say hi, Wendy.
Got a case. Hello.
It's for the YouTubes.
Here we go. We are launching out of Railwayside, headed on down to the Ocklawaha. Over here we have Welcome to Silver Springs State Park. So right up here, if you were to take a right and paddle upriver, you would go upriver to Silver Springs, about 5.5, 6 miles up the river. In our case, we're going to take a left here on the Silver River, and we're going to go down and connect to the Ocklawaha. So right here, we have where the clear water meets the dark water. And you can see as you're looking in there, and it's actually really kind of cool. Over here is clear. Over here is coffee. There's a big ass gator on the left.
Big ass gator.
Right over there.
Oh my goodness, did you see that, babe?
What?
I got kind of close. I feel like that was a little too close.
Yeah, that gator didn't like you.
No.
Hey, we are coming to the end. We are at Gore's Landing. We're about to pull in there. I want to thank you all for coming along with us. Back in the background back there is my lovely wife. But here's where we're pulling out. Got the campground.
That's another good campsite.
Yeah, it's another really good campsite. Right on the water. Gators come up and there it is. The end. This is where you're going to be getting out. Right here. All right, we're back at the beginning, which is the end. And this is it. Gore's Landing. Nice little campground. Go through it. This is where you're going to end. This is where you're going to park. And you'll have had yourselves a good time. Hey, it's the end of the day. We're in the laundromat, getting some laundry done.
We took all 4 washers, but it's Monday. It's almost 10 o'clock at night. I think we're okay.
Laundry room is empty. That's a go. Everybody knows that feeling at the RV resort. All the washers are empty.
It's been a good day.
It has been a good day. Thought we'd share our laundry room experience. The things you have to do when you're waiting for your laundry to be done at 10 o'clock at night. Now, come on, that is the way to go. 10 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock at night, go do your laundry because there's nobody else around. We literally have the whole clubhouse to ourselves.